Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Long time no see, I know, but as you can tell from the title, we are recapping my trip to Punta Cana for my best friend's 25th birthday. So I hope you enjoy this vlog. Be sure to comment, like, and subscribe and all that jazz. But yeah, see you there. Just made it to Breathless, Punta Cana. Welcome to another vlog, guys. Yay! It's been a long journey, but just got to the hotel. They're gonna take me to my room in this golf cart, which is cute. So, we shall see.
First time Dominicana?
Yes.
Oh, welcome to the paradise.
Thank you.
How many days gonna stay with us?
I think 6 days or 6 nights. Yep.
Behind this building, we have the party floor. That's the lazy beach over here.
Thanks.
That's Mexican restaurant.
So pretty.
Yeah, it's British.
Yeah, it's no Zika, baby.
Look at this view.
The cabana, the only different thing is the one with the top and the little one. For example, the one with the top has a okay, mami.
There you go. So after the first night, I was down bad, but we were alive. Shout out to Liquid IV. We made it, and now we're ready to take on the day. Hello vlog. Wow, today is Friday. Today has been a crazy ass day, y'all. Where do I even start? Y'all saw last night, I probably put some stories from last night, but basically your girl got up. I didn't even drink that much. Well, I did drink, I drank, but basically I woke up hungover. I woke up at like 8 a.m. and I was like, oh yeah, no, I can't do this. So I was down for a couple hours. It was bad. I had to take Liquid IV and everything. So yeah, today was not the best. Thankfully we didn't have anything like super planned. So we just got in the pool. I didn't really take any content, but we are going to dinner later tonight. I think dinner is at 9. We're gonna go off the resort for Wade's birthday dinner. She just went to go get her makeup done. That was a whole nother thing too, because last minute the hotel told us that like the makeup artist couldn't come on site without like filling out like authorization and stuff. So that was annoying. So now we kind of had to like pivot and switch things around so that Wade could still get her makeup done. I'm about to go shower and get dressed. I will make sure to have y'all with me. Like, I've been terrible at vlogging. I'm gonna make sure that we vlog. That I vlog. Like, I haven't vlogged in so long for YouTube. It's like really just been TikTok. So I'm trying to prioritize the vlog. I got a new camera, as you can probably tell. It's probably much more clear. Yes, I'm excited for like the future content. Like, hold me accountable, y'all. Make sure I edit, like make sure I post and everything. But yeah, let me get in the shower. I will come back and yeah. Okay, I'm about to start my makeup. Hopefully I can do my makeup in 20 minutes. Let's see. My lashes are already done, and that's literally what takes the longest, and my brows, but I'm gonna be quick with my brows, and everything else should be fairly quick. I'm using e.l.f. brow lift. This is not a makeup get ready with me, Danielle. You need to hurry up. In case you're not following me on TikTok, I have this travel mirror from Amazon. That's one thing I will sell. I will sell to y'all. I love my little silicone beauty blender holder and this travel case. I actually got this from Shein, but I can link some in my Amazon storefront, as well as like makeup bags, travel, all that stuff. Like, I love having like travel kits and stuff. It just makes life so much easier. Don't get me wrong, I love these lashes, but they are in the way. They in the way. Okay, I'm gonna stop talking and just do my makeup.
Say hi to the vlog, guys. Hi. Hi, vlog. Hi, vlog. Say hi to the vlog. Oh, wow, the lighting is so great here. We made it to dinner. I was telling them how chaotic today was. Yeah.
Tell y'all something. Every year, something is happening on my birthday. I mean, she's a witness. Every year.
It's okay, we
This
made
year
it.
is no different.
We made it.
I'm glad it all happened on day 2. And
Right.
not like,
Everything.
I'm glad they didn't have any like problems.
Yeah, plans. Exactly.
So hopefully the rest of the weekend our trip goes really well.
I'm excited for the booze.
I wanna back to school and have my locker full of pictures of you. Spend the AM biology and graduated soon. I wanna back to school and have my locker full of pictures of you. Spend the AM biology and graduated soon.
Hey, birthday girl. Yeah. They put charcoal on the plate. Woo! Happy birthday! He's gonna go out by himself. You gotta hold it like a bottle girl. Happy birthday!
So we are, it's day 3. We're taking pics. I'll take shots.
Say hey. Hey to the vlog. You take a shot?
Wow, guys, today was insane. We woke up, got breakfast, booked our excursions with the hotel for Monday, and then we went to the beach. Well, we did like a little pregame, then we went to the beach. And tell me why somebody put a lizard on my lap. That's the most random thing. One thing about these Dominicans, they will try to haggle you to sell you something. They want you to purchase and patronize their business, okay? He put the lizard on my lap. I was like, no, I don't want a picture. Like, while they was screaming. Then somebody came up to us with massages and offered us massages. And I didn't mind massages because I had already seen that on TikTok, like they do it on the beach. And it's much cheaper than the hotel. But they were like, oh, it's an hour. And I'm like, oh, that's kind of long. Hey, I'm telling them about the massage.
Scammer.
They were scammers. We were like, okay, well, it's only an hour. We want to do 30 minutes. How much for 30 minutes? They said 25. So we said, okay. We were like, is there shade? Where is it at? They said, oh, it's down there. So we walked. These people had us walking to Timbuktu. We exited the hotel and everything. Like, we had to sign out. Then when we got there, we was like, okay, 30 minutes because it was far. They was like, no, 1 hour. 1 hour, no. They was like, take off your clothes now. Strip. That's what it was giving. It was giving very much strip. So we stripped. We got our massages. She was like, medium or strong? And I was like, strong. So then
She didn't even ask me.
Oh, really?
No. That's why I was so confused.
You was like, what did I get? I was like,
she didn't even ask if I wanted medium or strong. She just started the massage.
yeah. So we started at $25 for 30 minutes, and then they said $35 for 1 hour. We were like, all right, we're just gonna do the 1 hour. They said strong was $45 for both of us. I'm like, okay. Then we're like, all right, we're just gonna pay. Like, I'm already accepting that I got haggled. I'm like, whatever, like, whatever. Then this lady's like, how much tip? How much tip? How much tip are you gonna give? Like, I was like, girl, if you don't back up, like, not too much. Not too much. And then on top of that, the cashier inside was like, okay, the total is gonna be $57, which is not what we agreed upon at all. Like, the hell? So we was just like, no, we're not doing that. And then we paid the amount we wanted to pay and we left. So yeah, so I went to shower. We got in the pool. We ate, swam a little bit. Okay. I mean, Ariel. I'm crying. Wish I could be part of that world. That was a good movie. Go Hallie. Period. Yeah, I'm about to shower. I don't want to wash my hair, but I think I might have to.
Every time we are fucked, we can't get enough. Baby, we love you. Believe me. Push it up, I make you feel.
Okay, y'all, so I wanted to do a voiceover over this part because I didn't get no like real footage outside of my story this night. But if you're looking for nightclubs to go to in Punta Cana, definitely hit up Infinity Lounge. You can go to their Instagram to book. I definitely think it was a good option for us. They played all the music that we like. They played hip hop, they played Caribbean, a little bit of Caribbean, and then they started playing a little bit of Afrobeats too, which was really good. As you can tell, we were definitely lit and excited, and yeah, we had a good time. I'm not gonna lie, like that they did that, and we were partying like the Penn Staters that we are. Hello vlog. Walk him. Birthday girl, period. We are heading to get picked up for our yacht day today. So we're leaving the hotel. Yesterday was a vibe. We went to Infinity Lounge. I'm pretty sure I inserted a bunch of videos of me screaming on the top of my lungs. But I'm excited for the yacht. I have so much sunscreen on and I don't care because that's what your girl got to do. I'm excited though. I'll show you guys like an outfit of the day type vibe a little later maybe. The content this trip, I'm not gonna lie, has been slacking a little bit. I'm trying to make a zoo with a zoo. Okay, I barely done TikToks. It's just chaotic. But we here. Say hi to the vlog, guys. Hi. Birthday girl.
Birthday girl.
The boat we only have Dominican drink. It's good to prevent seed, any problem in the ovary, to clean the blood, headache, sinusitis, and for us, Captain Crunch never sleep at night.
What is this? This is an elixir.
Our brother never die first, our brother. No. We die together. Captain Crunch. Together, we die together. Yeah. Never first. Cheers, salud.
Can I do blue?
Blue?
Yeah.
Go, please. See?
I'm gonna show y'all the boat. Taking some pictures. Hi. Does it take off? Does it take like a USB? Because I have my charger. Yeah, I have a cord. Okay.
Yeah.
Shot, 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 shot.
Hey.
Shot. Shot a clap.
Hey. Para de tirar, para de tirar, papi.
Who told you bad man don't dance? Who told you gangsters don't dance? Even with a whip on my hip I dance. Bad man take another sip and dance. 2 left feet don't trip and dance. The girl want me, I might give her a chance. Give her a look, she give me a glance. She wore a tight dress just to enhance. You like a bum bum. Never seen you before. Where you come from? You got a fat boom boom. I got a long Johnson. I know I never met you at random. This must be destiny. That's why you're next to me. You feel like ecstasy. This must be destiny. That's why you're next to me. You feel like ecstasy. Who told you bad man don't dance? Who told you gangsters don't dance? Even with a whip on my hip I dance. Bad man take another sip and dance. 2 left feet don't trip and dance. The girl want me, I might give her a chance. Give her a look, she. Who told you bad man don't dance? Who told you gangsters don't dance? Even with a whip on my hip I dance. Bad man take another sip and dance. 2 left feet don't trip and dance. The girl want me, I might give her a chance. Give her a look, she give me a glance. She wore a tight dress just to enhance. You like a bum bum. Never seen you before. Where you come from? You got a fat boom boom. I got a long Johnson. I know I never met you at random. This must be destiny. That's why you're next to me. You feel like ecstasy. This must be destiny. That's why you're next to me. You feel like ecstasy. Who told you bad man don't dance? Who told you gangsters don't dance? Even with a whip on my hip I dance. Bad man take another sip and dance. 2 left feet don't trip and dance. The girl want me, I might give her a chance. Give her a look, she give me a glance. She wore a tight dress just to enhance. Touch my forehead, chest, left shoulder, then right side. Pray my brothers are good outside. I know that.
Guácale.
So pretty.
They said that yesterday the water was actually.
Hi. Water feels so good. Some French fries.
This might be like the lowest tier, but it doesn't mean that it's bad. It just means that.
We back from the yacht. We went to the beach at the hotel. Now we're about to get dinner. It was a cute little group dinner. So cute, so sentimental. I want to go out tonight. Let's see. We have excursions at 8 a.m. So based on we gotta get up, I don't know if we're gonna make it.
We have to, bro.
Well, I don't know if we can do both. I would love to. By God's grace, all things are possible. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? So I'm just putting on some clothes for dinner and thank God for liquid Ivy.
No, Kenisha stayed for days.
I was just thinking about it. Like, she didn't pack it. Like, from her, the thought process of buying it at the store and packing it and packing enough to give it out. God said, these people, they don't know what they're getting into.
It's actually so deep.
It's deep.
It's deep.
God orchestrates everything. If the liquid IV, I was down bad on the first
And it's not even
fucking
just you.
day.
Also, Bosch
was down. Shot o'clock. I hate it here. I want to go home.
Somebody
Somebody see me.
If you don't hold down your shot on your bed game,
I'll hold it.
happy birthday,
Let the poor breathe. Bro, they're trying to fuck us up. I can't drink anymore.
I poured it in my drink. So basically, I took the bulk and then I just poured it in there. I didn't take it.
Let me say something. I took a
I have this set on the fucking rim. I'm not doing that shit. And then when we're late tomorrow, they will still wait.
Because
I'll take that shit.
I can't get up. Me, 8, I haven't woken up at 8 o'clock. I'm not doing it. Are you fucking dumb? I'm not doing it.
Now they ruined my drink because now there's tequila in it because I spit it out.
Okay, girls.
Cheers.
Big up Minnesota.
Morning vlog. We're about to go do excursions. It's 8 a.m. It's been a silent morning. We are very tired. But this liquid IV changes lives. Okay? Outside looks so pretty. I'm gonna show y'all, but I'm not going outside because we are late. It looks so gorgeous.
Anywhere we make money and tourism. So you can imagine when coronavirus came last time, all the hotel closed. How many people was home? It's 50% people was home. It's been more money the government into here. It's come from your hands.
New York and MIA, then it's PG run my way, so I never had to stay away. I'm down, ain't nobody on the scene can be there. Keep on young 'cause you don't wanna stay. All the pretty girls wanna be gay. Going to find out, you like running around and surround out. You just turn around and surround out. Let's stay away. I'm down for
Both hands, put up that food, and lean back.
Fire. Up. Wake up, wake up, wake up.
vlog. We're back from excursions. Today was a day. Okay, let me tell y'all something.
They outside beat our ass.
8 a.m. we were up. And I'm not a morning person. I'm not. So I don't want to talk. I don't want to do nothing. We get outside. We get in a little bussy bus. So just for us to get from our hotel, pick up everyone, and get to the excursion. We didn't actually start doing things till 10 something.
Girl. Yeah.
Then we do the excursions, y'all. What did we do?
We did zip lining.
We did zip lining. We did chocolate and coffee tasting.
That was real rush for like 10 minutes.
We toured a plantation. Then
we were supposed to get in the cave. We didn't. We were over it.
Yeah, we didn't do the cave. We did
lunch.
It was
okay.
Cool. We had downtime to like talk and stuff. Then we did the horseback riding, which was so actually
no. We did
nice.
the buggies first.
Yeah,
let's start with the buggies.
The buggies. I don't know if you can see the ash.
The buggies beat our ass.
Okay. It was bad. I actually drove, which was cool.
Yeah, shout out to you. I did not.
I drove. It was dirty.
I couldn't even open my eyes. That was my problem. Like if my eyes could be open, then I'd be like, okay, I can consider driving. But my eyes were closed most of the time because like it was getting in my lashes, and I was like, bro, that's another thing I gotta do is wash my lashes.
Facts.
And then
we did horseback riding. But horseback riding was fun. It was nice
and relaxing.
Yeah, and it was very grounding.
Yeah,
like
good to end it off.
To be on the horse, just to look around, look at the kids and the people running in the street, and really be like, wow, like I'm in DR, I'm riding a horse.
Yeah, I was literally like, I'm Dominican. I know black. I Dominican. It's nice seeing people speak French and Spanish and like quickly switch between like
sure
it's so nice.
I love languages. I ultimately would like to learn like at least 4 or 5. I'm already learning Gripple with my dad, so I want to learn Spanish. I want to learn sign language. There's a couple languages I'm really into. Spanish is probably #1, and Gripple, of course.
I'm just gonna wash my stuff, my ATV outfit, in the jacuzzi. Hand wash style, real African Caribbean, whatever style you want to call it. We just decided to run to the beach for like 10 minutes.
Yeah, all right.
Yay! Our last night.
Everyone is just trying to recuperate. Like we were gone from 8 to 5.
Okay.
Yep.
Should we hold hands like?
That's so gay. Let's do it.
Oh, no water? Oh, okay, no water, sorry.
I knew you were going to say that.
Oh, sorry. Okay, here. Okay. Gracias. Okay, I just showered. I'm about to do my edges. And I think we're going to dinner. I'm not even sure. Honestly, the smacked me, and now I'm not sure or smacked us, and I'm not sure what the plans are now because we have to eat. It's so dark, and I don't know how to use the flash on this camera. Do I need lighting? You know what? Y'all are just gonna sit and watch me. Ooh, hope I don't have a lip slip. Do my edges because I will do these. I should probably put contacts in it because I can't see. I can, but I can't. It's weird. Let me show you my outfit of the night. This is the outfit of the night. I'm wearing this bralette. It's like brown. Oh my god, it's so dark in here. Brown skirt, like kind of wrap skirt. A necklace, earrings. Yeah, they're so cute. Oh, and I gotta show you my purse. Purse, thrifted. So cute. Hey guys, so it's our last day. We're leaving. I just went to go get breakfast. I just showered and did some last minute packing up of my suitcase. And yeah, like I'm sad. It's our last day. My voice is gone. What the hell? Yeah, so I'm about to just like close up my suitcase now and probably get some food and check out. I don't leave till like 10:40. My flight is at 2, so they're leaving ahead of me because their flight's at 12. But yeah, I am happy. The trip went well. Definitely have to do more group trips like this. Y'all know I normally just travel with my boyfriend or family, so I definitely love the group trip vibe. Definitely gonna do more of that at some point. Yeah, but let me show y'all one last minute view of the balcony because I'm seeing this right now and y'all need to see it right now. You guys see it? That is our last view, and this is the room. I'm gonna pack up my suitcase. Yeah. All right. Hello. Hello, hello, hello. Hi. I'm vlogging. Say bye to my mom. Bye-bye. Okay, I'm waiting for them to take my suitcase. I will see you guys in the next video. Make sure you subscribe, like, comment, all that jazz, and follow me on TikTok. Bye!
Never get it, so I got it.